I recently had something happen to me while I was out shooting with the Lumix S9, and that is a corrupt file. One of the files that was recorded showed up as an MDT file. I never had this happen before. I was able to fix it, but I want to share this information, not only how you can fix these files, but how you can prevent them. So what is an MDT file? Basically, because Panasonic cameras record at such a high bit rate, yes, we were in 6K open gate. It was a long interview. It was a 10-minute file. So what happens is the video file is written in chunks. It gathers the information. That's the MDT file. So when you stop recording, normally the camera ties up all that information and creates an MOV. What it boils down to is your battery or your card. If you're using a third-party battery, which I probably was. I have 2 Lumix batteries. It can also be an issue with your SD card. Typically, if you remove the SD card too soon after you stop recording, even though you're not recording, that information could still be recording. One of the things they advise that you do with this is, let's say you have to change your battery, you just recorded a file. You hit stop, wait a couple seconds. I've heard at least 10 seconds. If it's a large file, maybe wait 30 seconds, maybe wait a minute. I know if you're in the middle of an interview, you kind of want to just get that battery swapped. I know that's what we were doing with this particular setup. So how did I fix this file? So there are 2 ways. I'm going to show you the easiest way because it's done in camera and it's really easy. What I would recommend you do is, let's say you have one MDT file, keep it on your memory card in the camera, but also drag it to your desktop, drag it to another storage drive, just so that you have a backup in case something happens. So what you want to do to fix this is go into your menu. Go to the very bottom where the play icon is. Go to the scissors icon that says Edit Image. You'll see Resize, Rotate, Video Divide, Video Repair. Video Repair is what you want. Select which video to repair with the left and right button and begin repairing. So in this case, I only had one file to fix. Looking at the back menu of the camera, I could see the file name. Since I had the file on my desktop, that matched. I hit set. It said it was going to take 7 minutes to repair. And once that was done, I could see that my file was there. It was fixed. I didn't have to do anything else other than drag that file back to my hard drive where I was going to edit it. There is something to consider here. Make sure you have a full battery. Make sure you're plugged into power. I don't know what would happen if you ran out of juice, if that would corrupt the file forever, but nonetheless, full battery or keep it plugged in so that the repair can happen. The reason I fixed it in camera was there's a Lumix repair process that's done online on your computer. You select which camera you have, you type in your camera's serial number, which is on the bottom of your camera, you drop the file in, it fixes the file. There are 2 problems with that. It's Windows only. I'm mostly on a Mac. My Windows machine is a remote NAS. Another issue could be, let's say you are hiring someone to shoot this, or you shoot this and you give this file to an editor and you don't have that camera information, then you're kind of stuck. So in this case, I was very fortunate that I didn't lose it. Luckily, this was a 3-camera shoot. This is what happens when you're a one-man operation, but I'm thankful that it was an easy fix. I think it was that I took the battery out too soon, but I've heard issues where if you don't use the Panasonic batteries, then sometimes updates don't work, so it might be worth the investment. If this happened to you and you have another solution, let me know. If this happened to you and you weren't able to fix that file, also let me know, because it's kind of scary. This is what we do for work. I'm just happy that it was an easy fix. Thank you, Panasonic. Thank you, Lumix, for having this internal fix possible. Thanks for watching. Take care.